Girard's very radical suggestion is that crucifixion, this judicial instrument and this political institution of Roman might, is one expression among countless others of humanity's original and founding murder.
Yes, founding murder is at once an event or event series, a process and a logic of sacred violence. Girard suggests this invention, this original factor X, is what kickstarts our actual passage in evolutionary time from animal to human. It's the original game-changing invention which enabled human societies to develop, human religion and culture to form. But that hidden X factor is shocking. It is ritual blood sacrifice.
So your book looks closely at that daunting and certainly very daring proposition.
Yes, we don't easily get hold of something so momentous and so fearsome. Anybody coming across it for the first time casually is likely to explode into premature objections. You remember saying yourself, if God is love, then how can this be? Well, in fact, easily enough, if mankind, in a dreamlike sort of way, discovers how to limit his own violence by creating the sacred, and then puts the sacred to work in developing a godlike potential of his own, while failing to acknowledge or take responsibility for the shameful secret of his own success in becoming human. Read the book to get the whole story, but when you do come to understand accurately what René Girard means, you begin to see how that hypothesis of his is A, grimly plausible, and B, unlocks the understanding of so many other things. As we come to grasp the truly remarkable figure of sense unfolded in the Passion, we shall see that the design of it already has Islamic State in view, and all the turbulent heavens of our own blood-soaked, errant, and apocalyptically charged world. Not only so, but a new heaven and a new earth reappears, butterfly-like, from its ancient chrysalis of dusty, culture-bound theology. The old and the new Adam, first creation and redemptive new creation, come together in a single weave of coherent purpose. Like the disciples on the Emmaus Road, we have the impression of reliving, for the first time with entire persuasion and quickening faith, the inside track story of how God is and always was engaged, as St. Paul says, in reconciling the world to himself. My book is really the attempt to reconstruct that persuasion and to begin deciphering its implications for the ongoing work recognized as God's own work of Christian reconciliation. Girard, I would venture to suggest, helps us unlock the reconciliatory potential of the Christian faith itself.